Some mornings feel different, not because of the weather or the date or the month. It's just something about the energy. Today was one such day. No rush, no alarms, just a quiet, cozy start to the day. And that is what we intended to do throughout the day. Somehow, this peaceful beginning made everything feel better. Sometimes happiness shows up in the slowest, simplest ways, in just being present. That's how this day started. There's something special about hot idlis dipped in warm sambar on a relaxed day. Maybe it's the taste, maybe it's the memory of having it at home while growing up. I don't know what it is exactly, but it feels like a warm hug to me. We often chase new recipes and try different meals, but coming back to the classics, that's a reminder that happiness doesn't always need to be new. Sometimes it's just something known, done well, enjoyed fully. Comfort food is happiness on a plate for me. It sounds silly, but punching and fluffing up the cushions instantly lifts my day. And it did so today as well. It's a small act, but seeing the couch looking bright and lively again made me feel like I did something nice for the house. And honestly, that joy stays longer than we actually think. The idea isn't just about cushions, it's about knowing that even tiny changes can uplift the space and the spirit. If you've been feeling dull, try fixing just one thing around you. It often turns into more than just a task, it becomes a little burst of joy. After fixing the cushions, I found myself motivated to do something I've been ignoring for weeks, and that is cleaning the leaves of my big plants. And you know what? It felt so satisfying. The leaves looked fresh and shiny, and the whole corner felt transformed. Sometimes we postpone small things thinking they don't matter. But completing even the tiniest task can give you that spark, like you're back in rhythm again. We had been thinking of buying a coffee machine for so long now, and since it's a huge investment, we were sort of holding ourselves on making that purchase. And then one fine day, we did it after all. Today I am setting up my own simple coffee corner, and honestly it was long overdue. It's nothing fancy, just a little space that now holds everything related to my coffee. Now the happiness here is not about buying something big or expensive, but it's about knowing that the investment we made turned out to be the right one for ourselves. And every time now that I use it, I smile and think, this was worth it. Sometimes buying the right things brings happiness far beyond its cost. So it wasn't about a big or a small purchase, but it was more about knowing that the purchase was intentional, and in the end it turned out to be right as well. Plant propagation isn't always easy, but this one little cutting, it grew. And when I noticed those tiny roots spreading, my heart just felt full. It's a small thing, but watching something you cared for grow into something new. This is all about patience, and when your patience pays off, it's magical. Sometimes we just need to notice the growth around us as well as within us. As the day starts winding down, I make my evening chai. And today I brought out that one biscuit we all dipped into tea as kids. Can you guess which one that is? One bite and I was instantly taken back. Yes, I'm talking about Parle G. It's funny how food and scent can pull out memories we thought we forgot. Moments like this remind me joy isn't just in the present, it lives in memories too. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than Not every day has to be filled with work to feel meaningful. Some of my happiest days are when I simply feel full. Full of calm, full of cozy activities, full of simple tasks I actually enjoy doing. Today was one of those days, as I mentioned. I didn't check 1,000 things off a list, but the few things I did were done slowly and happily. And that, I think, is the kind of productivity we often overlook, the one that fills us with contentment. And finally, the best part of the day, just sitting with loved ones. No agenda, no urgency. Just a blanket, a warm drink, and being together. That feeling of being seen, of being safe, this is the biggest happiness. And maybe that's what we all need to remind ourselves more often. The little things are actually the big things.